Welcome to Oxxle. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with your new website or online store. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your link that we've provided you or your temporary domain name. So in my case, I'm going to gardenrs.myoxxle.com, and then you can type in /login, or you can type in wp-admin like this. That will take you to your store's login area. Then you can log in with your details. The first thing you want to do is decide whether you're going to focus on building your website or building your store. If you're going to be building your website, you can start with the pages area or menu. If you're going to be building your store, you can start with the products, and that's over there. So for now, we're going to start with building our first page. You can go to your home page and edit with the page builder. Our page builder is called Brizzy, and you'll find various videos on our dashboard that explain Brizzy in more detail. This video is purely an overview of what you can do. So the first thing you can do is insert a beautiful layout, and your layout will look something like this. I'm just going to delete the one that I have by reordering my blocks. So everything that's there I can just remove by clicking on the X's. That will give me a clean slate to start with, a blank blue plus screen, as we talk about in some of the videos. There we go. Now I've got a blank, clean slate. So the first thing you do is click on the blue plus. This will take you into an area where you can insert a layout or insert blocks. The main difference between layouts and blocks is that a layout is a full web page or several web pages that you can use, and they are categorized in various different industries, or you can just choose through them and browse through them like this. The blocks are little snippets of content that you can insert into your website. So if, for example, you have a beautiful layout, but now you want to add another section of content, you can go and add the individual blocks. And they are also categorized by the type of blocks that they are. For example, a hero image is or a hero section or block is something that you would usually find at the top of a website, versus your pricing sections or your sections that speak about your team, or your headers, your footers, etc. So for now, I'm going to choose a new layout, and let's go with this one. This one actually comes with various pages that are pre-built for me. So I've got a home page, an about page, a services page, and this kind of helps me to just get a contact us, just sort of start my pages. So I'm going to insert my home page into this page, and I can say import this layout. This will automatically give me a framework that I can start with. Now I can start editing my content by just simply typing on the relevant blocks. I can change my buttons. There's various styling elements over here. I can modify my logos, insert my company name. I can change all these links. I can modify images. These little circles allow me to change my images. And I can just literally edit. If I don't like something that I've done, there's a little undo button over here that just goes one step back. I can change the styling of my website over here, and there are various options to change the content, change the colors. You can really make it yours. On this side, you can reorder blocks. So if you don't like the order of things, you can just drag and reorder them. And that will position the content in a different way on your website. Over here, you've got your responsiveness. So you can view your website as people would view it in mobile or on a tablet or on desktop. and you can make changes in that area as well. And that is the basic idea about your website pages. For more detailed instructions, you can go and have a look at our Build Your Website dashboard. I'm just going to press update. And then over here, you can go out and back to the dashboard, to the actual website. Now, if I want to add some products to my shop, then I can go to products. I can say add new, insert a title, write a description, choose whether you want a simple product or a variable product. A variable product, an example of that would be if you're selling t-shirts and you want to have blue t-shirts and red t-shirts and green t-shirts, then your product changes depending on what option the customer selects. For now, I'm just going to do a simple product. You can also do virtual or downloadable products. And for extra subscription fees, you can do bookings and subscription-based products as well. Then you can enter your price. If you're having a sale, you can even schedule the sale. You can put dates on it, etc. You can manage inventory and add your barcodes. You can determine your shipping details. You can link other products as upsells or cross-sells. You can add attributes like color, size, etc. And add some advanced notes. Then you can set the SEO settings of your product. Over here, you can type in some extra details to help with SEO, and you can insert a product image. Select the category and publish. There we go. You've done your first product. Once you've completed all your products, you can go into your settings menu, and that is found in your store management area, settings, and just go and read through each of these tabs and update your settings as you need to. This will help you set up your shipping, your payments, and tax, order emails, anything else that you need for your store to function properly. Once you've completed all of that, you can go into the account area. And if you want to use a custom domain, you can set your custom domain here. Follow our knowledge base for some more detailed instructions on that. And you can also contact us if you get stuck. You can go to support.oxxle.com, and we have a massive knowledge base that can help you here with various articles that you can search, or you can go by the different categories that we have, or you can log a support ticket and chat to someone. If you need other details or other options for your website, you can go to the apps area and you'll see various apps that you can install into your website. Depending on the plan that you've chosen, you'll have more or less plugins. You can also search for example shipping, and this will show you all the shipping options that you have to integrate with your store. Once you activate them, they will appear in the menus on the left-hand side, and you can then work on editing their settings or adding the features that you need to. This was just basically a short overview of what you can do with your Oxxle store. For more detailed instructions, go to our dashboard and follow the instructions there, or contact us via the help center.